I'm going to show you how to remove picture background and add another picture background. So I'm using this picart, and first we have to create PNG, and you can download this picart from Google Play Store. So choose the photo which you want to remove background. This is the photo of which I want to remove the background. So now first we have to create the PNG. So if you don't know how to create PNG, then I have already make its video, so you can watch it. So click this arrow button to save it. This is saved. And then choose a background that you want to add this photo. So I have choose this background, then I want to add the photo. So this is the photo. Increase the size as much as you want. Now let's try to adjust our face. Click on adjust. So increase or decrease as per you think that is good. And look at this, how it look like if we add the photo in other background. So if you want to save it, you have to click on this arrow button and you can save it. Your image is saved. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and see you soon in my next video. Thank you for watching this video.